Thank you very much for all of you being here today, members of the press, media acting CEO, ladies and gentlemen, and a very good afternoon to all of you. Gives me great pleasure to announce today the successful premiere of 10 episodes of the world's toughest race, the Eco-Challenge Fiji. This highly anticipated adventure challenge, world's toughest race, Eco-Challenge Fiji, was launched on Amazon Prime Video, and it represents the highest ever spend by a media production in Fiji, with about $30.6 odd million injected into the Fijian economy. The series premiered on the 14th of August on Amazon Prime Video, and it's actually showcasing Fiji's budding adventure tourism industry and to an estimated 130 million odd Prime Video subscribers in 200 odd countries. This historic $30 million spend behind the production has been beneficial to some of Fiji's most isolated and rural and maritime communities by way of investments in village improvements and a contestant-led book drive for Fijian children. The production of Eco-Challenge Fiji is a positive sign that Fiji is capable of hosting major international productions, and while we are no stranger to reality TV series being filmed here, the world's toughest race, Eco-Challenge Fiji, had camera crews following about 66 teams from 30 different countries, 24/7 across 671 odd kilometers of some of Fiji's roughest terrain. Universally, audiences will have an opportunity to catch a side of Fiji that extends further than our five-star resorts and white sandy beaches. It will show that we are a multifaceted country with staggering waterfalls and lush tropical rainforests and whitewater rapids and breathtaking vistas. And at this juncture, I'd like to extend my gratitude to the dedicated staff of Film Fiji and the Fiji Police Force, the Republic of Fiji Military Forces, the offices of the Prime Minister, and the Divisional Commissioners, the Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport, and their tremendous support throughout the production process. And of course, a big binaka to our Fijian teams, Team Tambusoro and Team Namoko, who participated. And I know the entire country has been behind you in support, and so thank you all for supporting Team Fiji. So please make sure to go on Amazon Prime and watch it. Thank you very much. Naka.
I'm about to find out. Came here to show the world who we are.
That's still going, because the real tenant is brutal.